Hello, welcome to Payer HR system. In this video, I'm going to show you how the appraisal recommendation system works. It starts after the manager has finished rating their employees, and of course the employee has rated themselves. So you've got two scores for the manager. At this point, we are at the point where the manager is about to submit the responses. So to continue, click Finalize Responses and confirm by finalizing. Once that's done, you can see the score is computed and you get a message that its appraisal successfully been finalized. But at the bottom, you can see a green button appearing, Add Your Recommendation. So this is where we can begin the process. Click Add Your Recommendation, and then you will see more extra fields appear at the bottom. So select the type of recommendation you're making. It can either be training or other. So we're going to select training. Select the name of the training that needs to be done. So let's say market research. Then add the message to support your recommendation. It can be anything. Once you're done, we can simply save the recommendation, just like below. You can see the recommendation has been saved, and with this, a notification is going to be sent to the administrator that there is a new recommendation for an employee. So let's switch back to the administrator's side. You can see we have a notification at the top right corner there. Calista Price has left an appraisal recommendation. So click to view the recommendation, and straight up we're going to get a view of the performance appraisal as a whole. You can see the ratings for the manager and the employee, but just before that, at this section, you can see we have the recommendations from the supervisor, which is a training, the name market research, and this is the information that they typed as a description of what they suggested. So to proceed, expand the menu, the dots at the right. By expanding that, you can see we have two options. We can approve and disapprove. So in this case, we're going to approve. So approving, we confirm, and of course we're going to leave a message telling them what to do after that. So we can simply just tell them, please add a training plan for this employee. Once you do that, you press OK, and you can see the recommendation has been approved. So what will happen after here is that the supervisor is going to get a notification. So I'm going to switch the supervisor's view, and you can see you have a new notification, your recommendation was approved. So if I click view details on this notification, I'm going to be taken straight up to that recommendation, and I can see the details that the supervisor filled, and then this is the message that was added after the approval. And you can see we have a status of approved here. So the next thing is to add training details for the system to be able to track the changes or to track the training progress. So to do so, you're going to click this button, Add Training Details, and once you do that, you can see a new view is going to appear, and with the name of the training that is being proposed has been already auto-filled. Select the proposed start date. So if it's this, then from then we can add training activities. The training activities could be the sections of that training, or the modules. Okay, so if the training has 5 sections, that means you're going to add 5 activities, and each one of them you're going to give it at some time. So to do so, click Add a Training Activity, and you can see we have a name here. So we can add any name. So let's say the first one is going to be research methods. Then you select the date of completion, expected completion date. So maybe you can give it from the 3rd. And then we can add another training activity if we have to. Then we can say here results compilation. Okay, then we can also select the date for that as well, any date. So once that's done, we have created a plan. So you can create as many activities as you wish, as you see fit. So once that is done, you can click Save Changes, and you can see the training requirement has been successfully added, and the rest of the procedures are going to follow.